Treating crawlspace soil and exposed wood after construction is essential to stop termites before they spread into the home. Start by treating the crawlspace perimeter soil with a labeled termiticide, creating a continuous treated zone at least 6 inches wide and down to the footing. For exposed wood, apply a borate solution that penetrates and remains active, focusing on sill plates, joists, and blocking. Mix and apply per label instructions and allow proper drying time. Install a heavy-duty vapor barrier over the entire crawlspace floor and lap seams by at least 12 inches, sealing with construction tape around piers and perimeter to reduce moisture that attracts termites. Add monitoring stations placed along the inside perimeter and near any wooden members to detect activity early, inspect them quarterly, and replace or bait according to the product instructions. Repair any plumbing leaks and improve ventilation, or add mechanical ventilation if humidity exceeds recommended levels to reduce wood moisture content below the threshold termites prefer. Record all treatments including product name, concentration, and application dates so follow-up inspections and warranty claims are clear. Common mistakes include treating only visible wood while ignoring soil barriers, which allows colonies to bypass spot applications, so always create a continuous soil treatment around the foundation. Another error is applying borate to dirty or wet wood, which limits penetration and reduces efficacy, so clean and dry surfaces before treatment and reapply after any cutting or damage. A third problem is failing to control moisture from leaks or inadequate vapor barriers, which keeps conditions favorable for termites, so repair plumbing, maintain a sealed vapor barrier, and ensure ventilation pathways are functioning. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and contractors find work related to termite prevention and crawlspace work. We also host a discussion community where we and our members share field tips and local experiences.